Hello, I'm Vanishree. Today in this video I explain how to load brush and few other basics of one-stroke painting in detail. Watch this video till the end and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. For this tutorial I'm using 300 GSM paper, acrylic paints, Viridian hue and brilliant yellow green, a synthetic flat brush number 4. I've mentioned all the material details in the description box along with the link. Please check it out. This is a glass jar with some water to dip or wash my brush whenever I need, and a spray bottle. Let me put these paints on my palette. Initially I spray some water mist on paints, and for every 10 minutes paints on corners of your brush. Drag it on palette, flip and drag again like this. If it is too dry, you can dip the tip of your brush into water. When you put too much pressure while loading, paints will not stay here, but they will move and store at the ends. Usually I spray some water on my palette itself because it will be easy for me to dip whenever I need, but this will work only when your table is inclined as mine. I'm painting some basic strokes. Here you can see a beautiful gradient from dark to light and no lines in between. I did not dip my brush into water till now. It is dry, so I'll show you how it works. First of all, you can't move your brush easily on your palette. When you paint, it will be like this and in complete dry strokes, so make sure your paint and brush have some moist in it. Next you have to do is dip your brush in water or spray some water mist on your palette and start painting again. I'm taking excess water onto my brush just to show you the difference. You can see the stroke is so thin, plain, and many lines are here. So wash and clean your brush, load as you did at first and start. In this stroke you can see less pigment on the top, I mean the dark green color is less. This is because my brush has less paint and there is no enough paint on my palette. So you can see here. Reload your paint and start. If you have any questions regarding this painting, please write below in the comment section. Okay, finally I show how do I hold my brush. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I place my brush on this finger and support using these two fingers like this. I'm comfortable with this, but it may change from person to person. I hope this video will be useful for beginners. And also, if you want me to make any videos regarding one-stroke painting, please let me know in the comments.